Welcome back to the Punch video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an unstoppable project in Scratch. And if you have friends who use Scratch, this is the perfect way to troll them. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is add a when green flag clicked. Everything needs a when green flag clicked. Then, go to variables, go to make a variable, go to new variable name, type this thing, timer, and then just click OK. Then after that, set timer to the like that. Then after that, go to events. Add a when loudness greater than 10. Click on the loudness, change it to timer. Then go down, go to operators, and add a plus operator like that. Then timer, take the variable timer plus 0.01. Be specific. 0.01 like that. Then after that, two more blocks. Go to control and add a forever. And then after that, all you have to do is go to variables and add a set timer to timer from the sensing category like that. Sorry. And now when we run the game, yeah, it can't be stopped. We have created an unstoppable project. This is a great way to troll your friends. You can go to YouTube, make a very good game. You can make a Flappy Bird game, you can make a jumping game, and you can tell your friends to play it. Then after that, when they try to exit, it doesn't exit. Because whatever you do, just you can name this timer variable to anything you want. It will not change anything. Just put this to anything you want, and it will still work. So basically, you have a great way to troll your friends and an unstoppable project. Win win. So I hope you really like this. Please subscribe to the Punch Video Time for more epic videos. And me, I'm out.